Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoNinjas. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to use Bax app on Solana for meme trading. If you're new to Solana memes, things move insanely fast. New tokens launch every single minute, scams and rug pulls in just a few seconds. And if your tools are clunky, you're late. Bax app is built to make that whole experience simpler and way more accessible. Important reminder before we dive deeper, meme coins are ultra high risk. This tutorial is about using the tool safely and efficiently, not telling you what to buy. Always manage your risk and never chase candles and double check contracts before you press buy. Also, invest with the amount of money that you are comfortable of losing. If you are new here, hit subscribe and smash that like button so you don't miss the full step-by-step walkthroughs coming next. Also, if you're trading majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees and a $100 bonus. Alright, let's get into the video. So first, what is Bax app? Well, think of it as a mobile-first, creative-focused meme trading app on Solana. It combines discovery, trading, and a basic wallet functions into one place. So you can find trending tokens, buy or sell in a couple of taps, and keep an eye out on what your friends or favorite creators are doing. You can deposit through familiar on-ramps or Solana wallet, then trade directly inside the app instead of bouncing between websites and bots. For the creators, there's an emphasis on creator first launches and fee sharing, which is why you will see a lot of influencer driven drops surface here. For the traders, the unique selling point is speed, simple UI, price alerts, and a feed that helps you spot momentum early. For a more detailed breakdown of this feature, go to this video on the right. Okay, it's time to learn how the platform works. First, you have to download the app on iOS or Android device and click Open. Here, you can log in with your X account, Apple, or Google, or even email account. So this is the home interface, which is also your feed. This is where you can see different traders on the Bax app and what they're doing, what tokens are they buying or selling, at what price, and how much they're selling as well. Now, on the top left is the feed filters. So you can filter out all the different noise. So you can actually only show trades from the people that you follow. So click on that. Or you can set up minimum market cap and maximum market cap of the tokens that you like to see. For example, like $20,000 at a minimum. And you can see that it will filter out all the different tokens that are less than 20,000. On the top right is the activity. So you can see the people that you follow and what they're doing. Now, if you find any tokens that you'd like, you can click on the quick buy button and buy it for like zero point 0.1 Solana. This amount can be customized later. Now, down here, you can also search for different coins and people. And here's an important reminder. You don't have to only search coins within the Bax app. Bax app will aggregate different meme coins and tokens on Solana. So it's pretty much you can search for any coins. For example, Boss, this one is on Bunk, so it's not on Bax app, but it will still show up here. There are also people, and these are self-explanatory. These are the people that are also traders on the Bax app. So you can search for their name. And this is groups, which is a group chat of, private people, and more on that later. In the bottom, there are a few features as well. For example, the search. This is where you can find trending tokens, popular tokens, featured tokens, stocks, AI, LST, blue chip memes, and your own holdings as well. Again, keep in mind, this tab is for all Solana tokens. On the top left, there is a leaderboard that shows the activities and the traders who are active within the app itself on a daily, weekly, and all-time basis. And I think this is going to be used for their future airdrops, which has been confirmed by Finn, the CEO of Bax app. If you want to buy any of these tokens, again, very simple, just click on them and click on quick buy or buy with a certain amount that you're comfortable with. Well, the next feature is Bax app main feature as well. So this is the tab where you can pretty much launch your own tokens and buy the tokens that are launched only on Bax app. So as you can see, there are pre-sales and public tokens. The pre-sale tokens are the tokens that were launched newly on the Bax app and it hasn't graduated yet. If they graduated, then it will show up in the public tab. Now, in the public side, it shows all of the graduated tokens from Bax app from the highest market cap to the lowest market cap. If you want, you can also create your own tokens on Bax app. Just click on new coin and just put in an image for your coin, the name, the ticker, description. Also, you can set up the initial buys. That means how many tokens you want to buy when you launch the token. You can also put in a website and a Twitter link, which are optional. Keep in mind, you need at least zero point 0.1 Solana in order to launch the token. The next feature is the chat. Now, this is where it's interesting because you can join different chats or different communities of pretty much anyone. For example, I joined the Feedbacks community chat. I don't even know if it's launched by him, but it seems like it. And so you can be here and you can see different people's what coins are they shilling. Just be very careful because if this is not exclusive and if it's public, anybody can join, then there are also scammers trying to jump in and shill you, I guess, scam tokens. If you want, you can actually check out Feedback's feed or page as well. So check out his trades, what tokens is he buying, at what range, what market cap, and how much money he's buying, what's his P&L. You can also check out his holdings, the tokens that he currently holds, and obviously his groups. Lastly is your wallet. If you want to trade on Bax app, you need to deposit money into your wallet. And you can do that by clicking on Add Cash. You can choose between three different ways, Apple Pay, Coinbase, or crypto wallet. On the top left, you can customize your accounts like the swap settings. So you can change the quick buy into like 1 Solana or 0.1 Solana or 0.2 Solana, depending on how much money you have and what kind of capital you're working with. And then you can set up the slippage 3, 5, or auto. I also always set it at auto. And then you can also set the secure speed. So that means the higher the speed, the more likely that your trades are going to go through. And there is also an advanced setting, but I normally just turn it off. You can also export your private keys, edit profile, two-factor authentication, subscriptions, transaction history, report on bugs, and different features. Now, if you want to start earning with bags, there is also an invite feature or a referral program. So on the top left, click on it and you can share your links to your community. And by the way, if you want to trade on Bax app and if you want to support CryptoNinjas, found this video helpful, use our referral links in the description. And that's it about Bax app. This is very simple to use. I love the interface and I love all the different features that they have incorporated into the app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more crypto content. And make sure to use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees and up to $100 in trading bonus. Thank you very much for watching and daily out.